Hello everyone, this is Marie. Welcome to my channel, Philosophical Dark Web. So this is The Secret History of America by Manly P. Hall, edited and introduced by Mitch Horowitz. This is a 260 pages paperback. So let's read a little bit about this book. The definite work on the hidden purpose of our nation. Okay, so what is the hidden purpose of our nation? So, Chapter 2, The Traces of Freemasonry in Asian America. Let's see. So I'm using my camera and the other. Part 1, Ancient Origins. Okay, you can see some Mayan or Incan symbol. Dr. Augustus Leponjon in Masonic regalia from an original photograph. Okay, the Great League of the Iroquois. Interesting. Antelope altar at Mission Novi from Bureau of American Ethnology publication. Very nice. Actually, there is not much illustration here, unlike the other book, The Secret Destiny of America.